What if I told you that you could build a powerful gaming PC, save money, and know every part inside it all in one weekend? Today, I'll show you the 12 essential steps to build your dream gaming rig from scratch. Step 1. Set your budget and decide what games you want to play. Step 2. Choose the right CPU, your PC's brain. Step 3. Pick a compatible motherboard with the features you need. Step 4. Install fast RAM. Aim for at least 16 GB for modern gaming. Step 5. Choose a powerful graphics card. This is where gaming performance really shines. Step 6. Install a speedy NVMe SSD for lightning-fast boot times and game loading. Step 7. Buy a reliable power supply with enough wattage for future upgrades. Step 8. Select a case with excellent airflow to keep temperatures low. Step 9. Carefully install the CPU, cooler, RAM, SSD, motherboard, GPU, and connect every cable. Step 10. Double-check all connections before powering on for the first time. Step 11. Install Windows, update your drivers, and enable XPM or Expo to unlock your RAM's full speed. Step 12. Stress test your system, monitor temperatures, and enjoy your brand new gaming machine. Building your own PC isn't just about saving money, it's about creating a system that's truly yours and ready for future upgrades. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more PC building tips, and comment below, what's the first game you're playing on your new gaming PC? I'll see you in the next video.